Hi guys, here we are at the Holiday Property Bond in Constant. This is cottage number 59 Chablais. Let's go inside and have a look. This little porch area here. You come into the lounge kitchen area, dining room. Little welcome pack. Here's your kitchen. Your large fridge. Freezer section there. You've got a baguette bin here on the wall. Put your baguettes in. Got your dishwasher. And all your scissors, sharp knives, etc. there. Down there you've got a toaster, butter dish, chopping board, etc. There's your dishwasher. In there you've got all your supplies for the sink. You've got dishwasher tablets, cloths, pads, towels. Down here's all your pots and pans, cheese grater. There you've got an electric hob, electric cooker, fire blanket there, comes with a washing up liquid. There's all your bottle opener, can opener, pizza cutter, rolling pin. There's a salad mixer down there, some Tupperware, tray, stuff to stick all your plates on to dry if you've washed them up. Onto your cups and saucers there, and some bowls, teapots. There's all your glassware, jugs, etc. A microwave oven here, and a bin down there. And here's all your silverware. Plenty of that. Comes with some mosquito things, some candles, tablecloth. Next thing you'll need, that's the all European ones though. Guessing plates will be down here, yeah. There's all your plates, or bowls, etc. in there. Into the lounge area, got two two-seater settees, a light there, all your information for the property bond, telly there, all the remotes for lots of different things. A French one, a DVD player, a TV, an English one. Here we go. So you've got DVD player down there, then I think you've got your English and your French TV separately there. So this is the patio area. Table, 4 chairs there. You got an entrance out to the car park. They've got electric chargers over there, and the clubhouse is off in that direction, just behind those buildings. There's an on-site restaurant just down that way. Got some cupboard space here. All your electrics. Spare bed if you need it. Clothes rack for drying your clothes, ironing board, iron in there. This one you've got all your cleaning stuff. You come down the corridor, you've got the stairs to take you up to the main bedroom. In here you've got 2 single beds. wardrobe here. Plenty of hangers, fans, plenty of storage there, as well as your bedside cabinets, dresser there, mirror. There's an aircon in here as well. If we go upstairs, there's a toilet downstairs. We'll come back to that in a minute. This is the master. Again, aircon. Lots of beams and everything up there. Okay, plenty of hangers. Another fan there. Bit of spare bedding. There's a look at the top of there. So we'll close that up. And you've got your chest of drawers there, as well as a cabinet each side of the bed. Then you've got a little bathroom here. Nice overhead shower. Toilet there. Go back downstairs. Here's a downstairs bathroom. Nice big bath with your overhead shower, basin, toilet. We supply plenty of toilet rolls, etc. Shampoos, hand washing, etc. Okay guys, this is our cottage tour, number 59 at the Holiday Property Bond here in Constant in the south of France. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you soon.